The new Luma transition. Today's video is sponsored by the Justice League. Obviously, you have to drag the new Luma transition between your clips. What you'll get is this simple Luma transition. Select the transition and check the border box. You can change the color of the border if you want, but what I like to do is to open it in the Fusion page and add a glow node after the transition. Bring down the shine threshold and adjust the spread slider to your liking. Choose a color for your glow, play around with the threshold and the spread sliders until you are satisfied with the result. Right-click to the gain slider and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab and check the mirror box. Now you can go back to the edit page and play around with the softness of your transition. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, you hurt my feelings.